Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee beans. We begin our journey with green coffee beans, which are the unroasted seeds of the coffee cherry. Selecting high-quality, green beans is crucial for achieving a superior final product. Always store these beans in a cool, dry, and dark environment to maintain their freshness and potential for flavor development. Proper storage ensures your beans are ready for the next exciting step: roasting. Next, we move to the transformative roasting process, where green beans develop their rich aroma and flavor. You can roast at home using a dedicated coffee roaster, an oven, or even a hot air popcorn maker. It's essential to carefully monitor the temperature and observe the beans' color changes. This allows you to achieve your preferred roast level, from light to dark, unlocking unique taste profiles in each batch. After roasting, quickly cool your beans to halt the cooking process and preserve their flavor. Spreading them on a baking sheet or using a cooling tray works well. Following cooling, the beans need to degas, releasing carbon dioxide built up during roasting. For the best flavor, allow your freshly roasted beans to rest for 12 to 24 hours before grinding. This resting period significantly enhances the final cup. Finally, for the freshest coffee, always grind your beans just before brewing. A burr grinder is highly recommended as it provides a consistent particle size, which is key for even extraction. Store your whole roasted beans in an airtight container, away from light and heat, for up to 2 weeks. This method preserves their peak flavor and aroma, ensuring every cup you brew is truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.